Hello everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Tobi Oladejo and I will be your instructor for this course. The title of the course is JavaScript. I want to believe that since you are here, you've been exposed to HTML and CSS, which happens to be the two core foundations of web development. Whether you are already someone who knows a bit about web development or an aspiring developer who is just starting from scratch, there's something for you to learn in this course. So let's dive in. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language developed by Brenda Hike. JavaScript is a programming language that makes web pages interactive and alive. If you are a developer or you are aspiring to be one, JavaScript is one of the core web technologies that you must learn. HTML is basically how you structure and define your website, while CSS allows you to add styles and design to your HTML structure. JavaScript is just like the icing on the cake that allows you to perform things like interaction, responding to clicks, validating form, and even communicating with server without reloading the page. So all of these and more are what you are going to be looking at in this course. My screen here, I have HTML is the skeleton. It's built the structure of a web page. So HTML can be likened to a foundation of a house where, when you want to build a house, you start, you know, putting the structures together, where the toilet should be, where the bed should be, where the room should be, and other things like that. So HTML is like that foundation that allows you to build the structure of your web page using text, images, and buttons. Then CSS is the clothes and makeup. So to make the foundation looks like what you intend it to be, you notice that once the foundation is laid and is structured readily, then your workers can start building on it. They can start molding anything you want them to mold on it. So CSS is just like what allows your restructure to be built on your foundation. So it's the clothes and makeup. It makes the page look nice. You can add colors, you can add fonts, you can structure layouts to give your web pages the kind of effect and then attractive design that you want it to have. JavaScript, on the other hand, is like the brain. It makes the page respond and do things like when user click, when they type, when they try to interact with your web page. So JavaScript is the brain that make all of this possible. So this is what JavaScript is as a programming language. And in the next class, we'll dive into the programming language fully, and we'll start to see how you can use it to manipulate things like text, how you can use it to manipulate HTML elements, and the kind of effects, the kind of changes, the kind of functionality that JavaScript brings to the other two core technologies of the web, which are HTML and CSS. Thank you. I'll see you in the next class.